Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clean the Roborock QRevo Curv mopping pads. So in order to do it, just flip your Roborock QRevo Curv over and then you can see this mopping pad right here. To take them out, just remove them like that. Then they are attached to this plastic pad with a Velcro, so you can just detach them. Then you can clean them either with water or you can put them in the washing machine, and after that just attach them with Velcro like that. Then put them back in.
Mop mount installed.
And that's done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.